Today, there are so many types of flour that it is hard to choose one. For those who are eating healthy and are always looking for new options, grape flour is worth trying. Grape flour is one of the many alternatives to white flour, sometimes purple, sometimes green. This flour is made from the skins and seeds of the grape, a fruit rich in antioxidants and fiber. Let's see 8 reasons to use this flour. I bet the second and fourth reasons will amaze you, since they contribute to your physical appearance while being beneficial for your health. Prevents heart diseases and lowers cholesterol due to being rich in antioxidants like resveratrol. Improves blood circulation by reducing inflammation and formation of atherosclerosis in blood vessels, which prevents varicose veins. Improves intestinal function and helps control glycemia thanks to its fiber. Reduces joint pains and fights premature aging due to the high levels of antioxidants. Grape flour isn't just a substitute for wheat flour. It can also be used in smoothies, juices, desserts, and anywhere else you think. To make grape flour at home, follow this recipe. Remove the skin and seeds from grapes. Rinse them thoroughly and spread them over a baking tray, making sure they aren't piled up to facilitate the drying process. Next, put the baking tray in an oven on low heat for 40 minutes, or until the skins are dry. Lastly, grind the dried seeds and skins in a blender until they become flour. Keep the flour in a closed container, preferably in the fridge, to increase its shelf life. Consume the flour in 2 to 3 weeks after making it. You can use grape flour in cakes, cupcakes, muffins, sweets, bread, pizza, pancakes, cookies, and smoothies. See how to make healthy and tasty bread with grape flour. Write down the ingredients. 1 cup organic whole wheat flour, 1 cup grape flour, 1 tablespoon organic brown sugar, 1 coffee spoon pink Himalayan salt, 2 spoonfuls of organic extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup wheat flour, 1 organic free-range egg, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Combine all dry ingredients in a bowl. Add the liquids and stir. Carefully add some warm water until the dough reaches a bread-like consistency. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rest for a while. Divide and shape the dough into buns and let it rest until it rises and gets lighter. Bake in an oven at 536 degrees Fahrenheit until lightly golden. And they are ready. You can enjoy your grape flour bread with jams, butter, or however you like. Bon appetit! Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.